It's cold in here. 0 degrees Fahrenheit to be exact. And I'm here for one reason, and that's to demonstrate that YORK air-to-water heat pumps can deliver the temperatures that we told you they could deliver in low ambient conditions. You may see another video where I'm talking about the temperatures we can deliver at 25 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, now we're at 0 degrees Fahrenheit. And we've told you we can deliver 130 degree water temperature. I want to show you evidence of that as we look at this unit that's running behind us, which is 3 of our YORK YMAE air-to-water modules. Let's go take a look at the screen and see what data we can get. Just looking at one of the operating screens on one of those modules, we can see in the bottom there, highlighted in blue, is the array heating leaving water temperature, and we're almost at 129. But let's take a look at another data point. Let's go around to this side of the unit where we've got the piping manifold and get a sense of how hot is the water coming out there. This piping arrangement is connecting 3 of our YORK YMAE air-to-water heat pump modules. And this pipe represents a hot water pipe discharging that 130 degree water at this 0 degree ambient. It's a little hard to tell with my glove on exactly how warm it is. So I'll pull that off and get a sense of, yeah, that feels like about 130 degrees. But don't just take my word for it. The data acquisition system already is showing you on the screen exactly what this is putting out. And you'll see that 130 degree Fahrenheit number there. YORK is engineering the future. And for heat pumps, the future is today.